In this video, I'm going to show you the library website and resources. Start at the college homepage, click on the drop-down menu. Under Quick Links, you will find the library. Once on the library page, you'll see the library mission statement. We also have a chat box here that is available during library operating hours. Ask a question here and it will be answered by one of the librarians on staff. The library hours will be located at the bottom of the page. Note that these will be changed according to semester, so make sure to check for the current schedule. Under Helpful Links, you will find the library resources. The Find Books menu will access the library catalog and the ebook collection. We also have a list of textbooks being used each semester. Find Articles will give you access to the main databases. These will include EBSCO, JSTOR, and Google Scholar, as well as the New York Times and other current and archived newspapers. More Databases has a list of useful resources. Academic Video Online has thousands of educational videos. SynHall and PubMed are great for nursing and biology classes. QC Researcher and Britannica Online are encyclopedias and are great starting points for research. The remainder of the databases have a ton of statistical information about a variety of topics. Citation Help will provide you links to the APA and MLA study guides our librarians have created. Research guides will link to an alphabetical list of study guides. These study guides are subject specific and will cover the classes that are taught here at Copper Mountain College. Finally, under Library Information and Services, you will find the face-to-face workshop schedule, as well as the link to the library tutorial videos and other frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, please reach out to the library.